Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and I'll be presenting an overview of the project I did for this class. The project I developed was a reporting and analytics system in Tableau, which creates automated dashboards for teacher-facing teams. So the problem statement I addressed here was that the product, marketing, and communication teams at assessments need regular access to sign up and usage data. So this project aimed to develop an automated reporting system that is reliable, automated, user-friendly, and robust. Um, so the analytics questions for these teams were that there are multiple tasks that require data to inform strategy and communication. The questions include but are not limited to how many people signed up, how many teachers made assignments, what content did they use, how are we doing in numbers as compared to last week, and specific questions like can we see engaged New York assignment reports for grade 5, which is a specific curriculum, and can we see how teacher XYZ uses assessments. So the goal to keep in mind here was that the end users are not people with technical skills, but they are mostly on the administrative side of things. So which was one of the reasons we used Tableau for this task. And Tableau is essentially a reporting and analytics software that specializes in visual analytics. Reasons for using Tableau were analytics capabilities, because it meets most reporting and analytics needs that we have in the team. And it's free for deployment and development because WPI maintains a Tableau server and Tableau is essentially free for students to use. And also, it is very friendly for the end user as it has intuitive and interactive visualizations, making it extremely easy for the end user to get data. So the project structure, like this project is probably can be defined as having three parts. The first part is the data sources, wherein it gets data from assessments and when teachers and students use it, and we store it in a PostgreSQL database. And also we pull some data from Google Sheets, which allows for manual entry of data. Then there's a Tableau workbook, which is essentially living on your desktop where you do all the development. Tableau desktop connects to the data sources and also creates a local extract, wherein it blends all the data we ask from the data sources and keeps a local copy of that. And we work with that in our workbook, which essentially helps us create dashboards. These dashboards are then sent to the Tableau server, wherein the dashboard is available to the end user, and the data extract, it connects directly to the data sources. So anytime you look at the dashboard, it's showing you the real-time data, which has been refreshed as we wanted. And also the end user can make changes in the Google Sheet as they want, which reflects onto the Tableau dashboard as well. So let's go and look at a dashboard now. So this is one of our most used dashboards, which is the assignment activity dashboard. It has been used more than 1,500 times in this year by multiple members of the assessments team. So let's take a look at what this dashboard does. This is the interactive visualization, which shows the teacher count by state. So if I hover over California, it shows that there's more than 2,000 teachers who made more than 36,000 assignments. And let's look at Massachusetts. There's 572 teachers who made more than 9,000 assignments. And they assigned these assignments between these two dates, that is 1st of July to 4th of November, which is when this dashboard was refreshed the last time. So we have 21,000 teachers who did stuff. They made more than 400,000 assignments, almost 500,000, and checked 169,000 reports. Next, we have this chart, which shows the weekly trend of count of assignments. So we can see that at the beginning of July it was pretty low, but went really high in September. And you see 4 colors here, which also allow you to do multiple visualizations, like assignment status, where students completed the assignment and reports were checked. This is where students completed, but no reports were checked. There's this tiny percentage where students started but never completed the assignments. And there's this big number which says no student responses were received on the assignments, and that's almost 1/5 of the total. So that's one insight. And if you scroll down, like all of these act as filters. We can filter by assignment status, which we just discussed. We can see the root folder, which is basically the assessment content. We can see Engage New York and multiple curriculum over here. and then we can filter down by grades and subgrades of all the folders above. And you can see that we can see that there's 5,000 teachers which do not match a state, but all these states have multiple teachers, so we can filter by state and different domains. So, and these are different group names. So I'll also show you how the Google Sheet works over here. So I've put a link to the Google Sheet here, which connects the domain data to the states. So we have this list of domains, which are all connected to a state in the sheet, and we keep on populating the sheet as we keep on looking at more domains. And this domain sheet is essentially what powers the map in this dashboard. That brings us to the next issue, which is important to address in this talk, is that of data persistence. So the assessment's Postgres server refreshes daily. So any tables we create today will vanish tomorrow, essentially leading to the dashboard not having any data. To address that, we created automated scripts that create views. So what a view is view is not actually a table, but it is a query which references a table. So I can create a view as create view A, which essentially runs a 100-line query for me. So anytime Tableau tries to access a table, it runs to the view, and the view pulls all the data for Tableau. So there's no new data stored on the server, and Tableau gets data in its extract.